Did she say something? I did not hear her.
Yeah, I said I'm going to call him now.
Okay, all right. Okay, let's start. So let us look at the cost center reports. I think we have seen the cost center reports, right?
How do you?
Yes, Sheetam. Hi.
How do you?
Yes, man.
Did we have a session? Did we have a session yesterday?
No. We did not have one. Because my alarm did not go.
Okay, because
Hey, seen him.
email you sent,
Seen him.
it was meant to. Yes.
Hey, I couldn't send you the videos, man. I mean, it's taking a lot of time for me to upload them. So I failed thrice. So I'm not sure how you can get that. I don't know whether the vendor can send you that. Because I mean, it's not getting uploaded at all. Is maybe somebody else can try.
Hey, ask your vendor to send it, man. What are the dates?
For
All of
last week,
last week.
all of last week.
All of last week, right?
Yes.
Kadish, I will join in a couple of minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna ask the vendor to send you all of last week, right?
I'll mail it across, man, on that. Okay. Come back to this. So
We didn't see this one. We didn't see this report.
oh, this is not a controlling area. What is this? J700. Okay. We have seen cost center report. No, man, we have not seen the cost center report. Huh? Hello?
You showed us one of the reports.
Yeah.
Maybe
This is the report, no?
Maybe the
Cost
one you
center
opened
report.
right now was for a different company where planning was also coming. So maybe that's why.
Yeah, this is the report, right?
Maybe the planning numbers are also coming in that company. In our company, planning is not there, so maybe it looked different.
Yeah, I'm getting into that. See here, you will get the planning now. This is the cost center report. I'm trying to execute now. This is the plan. Still we are not done. So it was 1000 for production and this is 50,000 for department 2. Okay. So this is the cost center report. So now I'll do the planning. Cost center planning. See here. KP06. Okay. So I'm planning it for the, so what was that month we posted? Fourth month. Fine. No, first month we posted.
There is no, the date does not appear, right? Otherwise, you can't see the date, right? Here
Is
in
there
this
no?
report. No, that's the reporting period it is showing. Exact date when we posted it's not showing, right? in this case.
Okay. Now I'm doing a planning for the first period. You can do it for the whole year also, 1 to 2. I'm putting first period. So from production department 1 to production department 2. Okay. So if you see here, we posted for what? Lubricant, right? See here, lubricant. Here also lubricant, right? For this particular GL account, I'm doing the planning now. For this cost element, this is just for the layout. I'll select this form based layout. So I'll click on this overview screen. I don't know, it seems to be slow, man. Okay, let's say I want to plan around 55,000. Okay, now this is for production department 1. Okay, now can you see here, this is next combination. I click on this. So now it has gone to production department 2. So I'll say here 55,000. Two combinations. Now I'll try to save this here. So what it says?
Not possible for.
Remember I told you this is similar to your document types. Here they are called as business transactions.
Business transactions. Yeah.
So what's the transaction code?
K&K.
You go to K&K, J700, groups, RKP1, select this, select here, this is the number ranges. Save it. You go below, does added. Exit, do it again.
But here one thing, you are putting everything in one number range, right? But in real
No, it's up to you. If they ask you to define, you need to define different number ranges. I just gave it under 1.
So what do you do usually? You define it under 1?
No, for planning we keep it separate. For FI we keep it separate. Okay. Save it.
And here there are other things also like variable cost and other consumption and all that. You don't use that, or you just use this fixed cost only here. Where you are giving this 55,000, you gave it under fixed cost head. Okay, there is variable cost, consumption, I don't know, a lot of other things.
No, what you're talking, that is different, man. You're talking from the costing perspective. I am doing the cost center over here.
So in that option only it is there. In KPO6 only it is there.
No, not that. Hold on. This is your posting from FI. I posted from FI.
Yeah.
In FI you will say fixed cost, variable cost. Huh?
No, plan cost I'm saying. Planning that you did.
Planning I did it right over here.
Yeah.
55,000. This is 55,000. Okay. So here it is credit. Okay. In department 2, 5,000. Here it is 54,000. Okay. Now what I want is, here, this is how much actual? 1,000, right over here?
Yeah.
Cost. How much is here? 50,000, right? From this, I want to allocate around 10,000 of the cost to the production department 1. Is it clear? Hello?
It is not. So your variable should now be only 4,000, right? I mean,
Variance, man, this is not variable.
variance, sorry, yeah, variance. So it should be 4,000, right? Now
Where?
the total should be 4,000 only left, right? Like cost planning is 55. We already spent 50 plus 51,000.
No, no, no. You are seeing at this level, man. At the highest level. Hello. This is at this level you are seeing 51.
Yeah.
What you are seeing is we are seeing at individual department level. This is production department 1,055.
Okay, so
Production
for each
department
we've
2.
given 55 we've given for each. Okay.
You are not audible, Karthik. Either you
I'm
are
saying
far away.
No, I'm here only. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now it's clear.
Yeah, I'm saying 55 we've given for each. That is that.
Exactly.
I thought. Okay. Okay, fine.
For each department I have given.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now what I want to do is I want to allocate from here 10,000. It should go to department 1. So department 1 should be how much now? If I allocate over here 10,000?
11.
11. Right? And this should become how much? 40. Okay. So this allocation can be done in various ways. So first I will show you allocation based on assessment and distribution. Okay. First I'll see assessment. Okay. Okay. When you are allocating based on assessment, it happens through a secondary cost element. Remember when we started cost element, there are two types. One is primary, another one is secondary, right?
Secondary.
Secondary cost element. What is the significance of a secondary cost element? With a category 42 it will go. What it does, it carries the cost. Okay. Or it is called as a carrier. Carrier. So in our case, what it is carrying? In our case, 10,000, right? Cost. Right? So let us create one secondary cost element.
But in your example earlier, you showed that. So, for instance, in this case, department 2 is already utilizing, like out of 55,000, you are utilizing 50,000. Okay. So, what is left here is only 5,000 worth, right?
In department 2, I have 50,000.
Yeah. So now if you want to transfer from here to like allocate it to some other cost center, then you have only 5,000 left to transfer, right? You're saying 10,000.
In this department 1, I am having 1,000.
Yeah. No, department 1 is fine. You wanted to transfer from 2 to 1. 10,000.
Yeah, 2 to 1 I want to transfer. Anyway, either you transfer from here or there. I'm just showing you how the allocation happens.
Yes, but I'm just wanting to understand, if you are trying to allocate from 2 to 1, what you have is only 5,000, right? Not 10,000 to transfer.
No, this is 50,000, man. From this 50,000 I want to allocate 10,000, I'm saying.
Okay. Because I remember, the first class in controlling, you showed an example, like you said that,
So,
we create.
No. That example I showed you over here, what you're talking about, this one.
Yeah.
I've just changed the values now. Here we posted a lot. So I've changed the values over here. Present it is 50,000 and 1,000. So from here I want to allocate 10,000 over here. I want to allocate from department 1. Okay. So who is the sender here?
Department 2.
Huh?
Department 2.
You're not audible. Sender, this is the receiver. Okay, this is the receiver. Okay, come back. Easy access. Here, create secondary cost element. Now once you are creating secondary cost element, make sure you go to a range beyond your range that has been maintained for your GL accounts. Like we have maintained till 5 series, till 4 series, right? 4 to 9999, right? Go beyond to that. So I'll maintain as 942. Gone to some 9 series, you go to 6, 7, whatever series you want to go. 2014. Enter. So this is my assessment, right? For I said. Yeah. So what is the category we said we'll use? For assessment, what is the category?
42.
42. I'll save it. So I've created the secondary cost element because it says it forms the basis for carrying the cost. Now in order to send this from here to here, we create a cycle. Cycle is nothing but like a variant. Okay, like a variant. Now this cycle consists of a segment. Under segment you have the sender and receiver rules. Under segment you have a sender / receiver rules. Back. Here, define assessment. Planning. Here, actuals, period and closing. Here, maintain assessment. KSU1, note down, transaction code. Hello?
Yeah.
Name the cycle, whatever you want to name, like a variant, J700, 0101, 2014, enter. Okay, this is the cycle which I am creating for assessment for J700. Attach segment. I said it consists of a segment, see here. So this is the name of the segment I'm giving. Let's say segment 1. Segment 1 I'm creating. So here can you see assessment cost element? So I'll assign that cost element over here, which act as a carrier. So what did I say? The segment consists of a sender and the receiver rules over here, right? All this, under this, all these tabs are about that. Now sender values. Who is the sender here for us? This one, right?
Yeah.
Now you tell me, when you are making a sender here, the sender rule, should it take posted amount, fixed rate? What? Posted amounts, right? So share in percentage, it should take 50% of that amount. Means 50% means how much this? 25,000 then.
25,000.
On the posted amount. Or from the 100% of the amount, from that 100% of the amount, when the receiver is there, should it take the fixed amount? We said about the fixed amount, right? Right? 10,000, right?
Yeah.
If you take as a variable proportion means in the proportion of this, whatever that receiver is. Okay. So I'm taking as a fixed amount. So based on the fixed amount, I go to the sender and receiver rule. Who is the sender?
Group 2, product group 2.
Production department 2.
Hmm.
Who is the receiver?
Department 1.
1.
Hmm.
Correct?
Yeah.
I go to the center values here. Where this values gets recorded? In version, right?
Hmm.
Version 0, right?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Receiving tracing factor. This department 1 should receive what amount? Fixed amount. How much we said?
10,000.
10,000. So this is like a variant which is carrying all these rules, sender and receiver rules, this cycle. I'll just save it. So once the cycle is saved, now I'll try to do it in the front end. Execution of this. KSU5 execution. KSU1 is for creation of the cycle. Execution. KSU5. So we're doing it for the first month, right? What is my cycle name? J700, right? Hello?
Yeah.
I'll try to execute. See here. What it says?
Number range for RKIU. Again,
Right.
K and
It is telling me to maintain a number range. Okay, so you know how to maintain the number ranges. Now you asked me last time, do I need to maintain separate number ranges? Like for planning, if they are asking you to maintain, then create again, like this. But before creating, we need to know what is the range we maintain, 1 to 10,000. So you go to the groups, create, then you say like this. What I'm doing this, number ranges for your allocation, right? So it is 10,000 to 10,999. Hello?
Yeah.
Like this, you are asking, now should I maintain separate? So this is how you will maintain. Now you go to Control F, go
But
for that.
here also, here they didn't ask you, you created separate, right? Just to show.
Which?
This one you just created separate to show, right?
To show you, you wanted to show how to create, right? Different number ranges.
Yeah.
So RKIU, I go here, I take this RKIU, go here again. Same thing I'm doing. Now instead of going here, now I'm going under this range.
Right, okay.
Now if you go below and see, it will be falling under that range now here. Save it.
Oh, it is called J700 only. The number range, whatever name.
Yeah, J700, but under a different range. This was under 10,000. This is a different number range.
Okay.
Everything will be under the same controlling area. Okay, now I'll execute. Too slow, man, this is.
So this is only to allocate the actuals, right? Not the planned figures, not the planned values.
No, plan is the same way, exactly the same way. The path is different.
So planned values like 55,000 you maintained, we cannot go there and change from 55,000 to something else. Like
manually.
why do we need to follow? Yeah.
No, 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 no. That way manipulation is there, no man.
So one set.
Whenever you are allocating or doing anything, it should be recorded, right?
Hmm.
So this way it gets recorded, right?
But after one transaction, it won't allow or what? Changing.
No, no. You can keep on doing in case of an assessment.
No, not assessment. If we go there and directly try to change, it will not allow us or what? Like after transactions.
Just see here. Where you say here, huh? You want to change here, huh?
Yeah, plan cost where we define. No, earlier we went
See?
to. No,
In the report.
you didn't change it here, right? This is
Huh?
this is report only you are seeing. I'm saying where the first time when you gave this thing KPO6.
No, it will add on again if you give over there.
Okay.
That is your keying in there.
Yeah, there is no change there.
No, 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 no. You are keying in over there. Okay, come back. Who's my sender? 10,000. Carrier is this. Back. Oh man, this is slow. 1 second. To whom these guys have given this? BWBI man. 1 second. Hey, why have you given this BI? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, Kadir, we can. Yes.
Okay. Now what is sender? Okay. Basic list. Come back to receiver. Correct? Department 1 is the receiver. So this is in the test run. Uncheck, execute in the real run.
So, Kadir, carrier cost element that you created, you usually create only one, right, for everything, or you create for each or something? Like
No,
how
it's up
many?
to the requirement of the client. Now, when you're saying one is enough. If you, it's just like a carrier, it carries the cost for you.
Right, right. We don't really need many.
Because in this server they have given access to a BI consultant. So the BI, they do extraction of the reports. The chunk of data will be huge.
Mm-hmm.
So that is why it has gone slow. I don't know what is he pulling. Okay, now I've done it in the real run. This is. Now let's go back and check the report. Okay, so department 1 10,000. See, correct? Down minus 40. Hello.
Yeah.
So this works as a carrier. Okay. This is one method of allocation. The next method, what I want to show you is based on distribution. That was assessment. Now I'm doing distribution. See here. I go here, define distribution here. Okay, J700 we already created it, so it will not let us create. Next cycle 01.
So we can use it again, or we have to, every time we have to create new.
We can use.
Can we use it again, J700, or next time we are like if we were to do allocate assessment method?
Yeah, same cycle you can keep on executing if you want again. If you want to change the amount, you change the amount and you execute again.
Yeah, so we can use J700 again for assessment.
Yeah, see what you have to do here, Karthik. If you go back to that cycle, KSU5, right? Hello.
Yeah.
See, you go to this KSU5 here. So here is the cycle, right? Again, if you execute, it will be 10,000. But I don't want to execute again. I'll go here, extras, go to the cycle, change it if you want to change the cycle. Change here. See here. First segment, right? Change the amount. Save it. Come back again and do it again. Or if you want to run the same, you can run it same again.
But for distribution, we have to create a separate one. That's what you
No, don't come to distribution. You asked for assessment. That's what I'm telling assessment.
No. That's fine. But I was saying because it was not allowing you to use it there, no? When you were creating
cycle. It is not allowing me to create a cycle. Variant. Already we created one variant with that name, no?
Okay.
It is a variant. Okay, J700. This is also one kind of a variant. So I'm creating another variant. So here I'll say this is for distribution. You will tell me now what is the difference that you see. Click on attach segment. What is the difference you're seeing here? Everything looks same, right? See here. See segment 1 again, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Posted amount, variable. What is the difference you're seeing? Karthik, can you get me?
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Yeah, but what is the difference you're seeing? There is one
There's something called tracing
major
factor.
difference that you see in this present screen compared to the other screen. There is no assessment cost element. Right? Hello? There is assessment cost element right over here.
Yeah.
Clear or not clear, man?
Yeah. You
Forgot.
gave that, yeah. No, you gave that.
KSU2. Sorry, J700. I think you people are got bored with SAP now. First segment. Here, can you see?
Yeah, you gave the assessment. Yeah.
But this is not there in case of distribution. Right?
Yeah.
Not there, see? So then how it carries the cost then? Hello?
Directly distributes.
No, let us see now. Fixed amounts. Sender receiver. I give the same thing, see. From production department to production department 1, enter, see. I go to the center value, see. What it says?
Cost element.
So here it will be your cost element, that will be your carrier.
Okay.
Okay, it is your cost element, that's a carrier. So is it clear? In case of an assessment, it is the secondary cost element. In case of a distribution,
Primary.
it's your
Primary.
cost element. Yeah, primary you can say. Here it is your secondary. With category 42.
42.
This is with category 1. Right?
Yeah.
Center values. Same. Version 0. Receiver. Let's say this time around 5,000. I'll save it. Now I want to execute this. Now I'll come back to the front end. Controlling cost center. KSV 5 execution. For this cycle creation is KSV 1. Execution KSV 5. Test run. Number range problem. RKIV.
Yeah.
Go to the number ranges.
K and K.
So you want to create a one, you can create. Otherwise just go to the groups. RKIV. Now you got this, right, Karthik?
Yes.
Save it. Now I'll execute.
Test run.
Yeah, always do it in the test run first.
Which one do you use usually?
In the report, once you see the difference, then you tell me which one do you like. This BIs, people should not use BI, ABAPers, bases. They should keep separate servers for them. Okay, sender, basic list, receiver, back. Uncheck test run, execute. For planning, usually we won't do it, man. Never seen doing for a planning one allocation.
Which one? Which one you say?
Planning. You were asking now for the planning.
Oh, okay. Allocation.
Same process, nothing different. It is the same thing we do it. The only thing is the transaction codes are different. That's it.
Okay.
Finally, I got the power, man.
But since we cannot change the amount once given, so maybe if something is given wrong or something, we have to create allocation only then. For planning. For planning, I'm saying, since once we give the amount, we cannot change it in the initial this thing KPO6. You were saying that we cannot change; it will only add. So maybe if something is given wrong, then we might be doing allocation to change that.
Planning data. How do you give planning data, first of all? On what basis do you give planning?
No, you need the budget, no, for that.
Why do I need a budget to do planning, man?
No, based on what each cost, I mean, whatever will be incurred in that in the year or whatever. That's how you will be doing it, right?
No, we take the historical data and do the planning, not the budget. Okay, based on the historical data, we do the planning. Okay, that historical data will be taken by the client and they give us the data, what data should be keyed in over there. Based on the historical data, they do the planning. Okay, come back to this. Now, can you see here for the production department 1, okay, see here, lubricant,
6,000.
Okay, what is the difference you see? Cost element wise.
Yeah.
Hello?
Reducing the cost element itself.
Now, when you are allocating at the receiver side and the sender side, you know from where it has been allocated, right? Hello?
Yeah.
But through an assessment, are you able to identify from which cost element this amount has been reduced?
No.
Able to get the difference between assessment and distribution? Huh?
Yeah.
But through this you are able to identify from where you have received this. But through assessment you are not able to receive. So what is happening is, it is destroying the nature of the transaction over here, right? See here, from where it has received it.
Or sent it, right? It's sent.
Yeah, see here. So here what it is doing, in case of a lubricant, it has added 5,000 to here. Earlier it was 1,000.
Yeah.
It added 5,000 to this. So it is not touching the originality of the transaction. Where in case of assessment, it is not touching, right? Earlier it was not touching, right? It was not adding 1,000 plus 10,000. It was not changing the originality of the transaction. But in case of a distribution, it is changing the originality of the transaction. Agree, disagree?
Agree.
Right? In case of an assessment, it is not changing the originality of the transaction in case of an assessment. because it is carrying separately. But in case of an assessment, you will not come to an identification as to where this cost have been received from which cost element. In case of a distribution, the originality of the transaction will be disturbed from the sender side, and on the receiver side it will show you from where it has received. Right here it is changing in the receiver side, changing in the sender side, it is reducing. From this it has reduced, it is telling clearly.
But here it is not directly reducing, it is reducing separately.
Separately. That is from the sender side. But the receiver side it is disturbing. Clear? So this is the major difference I'll ask in the interview question between an assessment and a distribution. Okay, mostly people prefer this assessment part.
Why is that? That is better, no? The other one, distribution.
But it is hurting, right? It is changing the originality of the transaction over here, right? See?
Okay.
Then you need to double click on this. Then you go to the actual line item. Then once you get inside, you will come to know how it has been allocated, this one.
Okay.
Clear? Hello?
Yeah. So if you had more than one cost element, then for everything it will below that cost element it will show assessment, right? Or the assessment will show after all the cost elements are shown in the report.
No, for every like there will be around 10 cost elements, suppose. Then you do the assessment. It will show you separate. This.
So for so under each cost element it will show, right? Like here it is showing under lubricant.
No.
It will only show one.
One.
Okay.
Very important, man. None of the people are paying attention on this. Save it. Now that too, these people have given access to a BI user.
Yeah, it's very slow.
And the person who gives, he thinks I doesn't know to whom he has given an access. He's telling, no, I have not given, you see. Then I told him, should I kick out that guy from here? No, sir, he's taking a session, he says. Okay, see here? Okay?
Yeah. So assessment.
So let's allocate from production. Now I'll allocate from the same, okay, here. Okay, let's do it from 1 to 2.
Okay.
Total is how much? 76, right, over here? So I'll remove 6,000 and allocate to here.
Okay.
Okay, total is how much here? 35. Why am I touching that? Assessment, extras, change, enter. Need to be patient. Patient for this now. So here it will change.
1.
1, 2, amount 6,000. Back. I'm not running in a test run. I'm executing directly.
Okay. Execute reversal.
Need a separate cycle, man.
We do?
Yeah, we need
Otherwise,
a separate cycle. But it should not, because the reversal will come from here. I'll show you. Let me see why they're doing that.
Is my voice audible now?
Yeah, now it's audible.
So in this you'll also be showing cost sheet.
No, that is different, man. We are talking all product costing, fixed cost, variable cost. All that is product costing. That's different altogether. What you're asking. See, got the warnings. So actually, here we do the reversal. Can you see here? So in the same cycle, if I'm changing that now, it is not taking that. I think amount it will take. Hello?
Yeah. Amount only you are giving.
Oh. No. I changed the departments now.
Oh yeah. Okay. Right.
Uh-huh.
Right. So it is taking it as a reversal when you are doing that.
That one.
What's
942 fixed amounts.
This 100% has no meaning, no? When in case of fixed amount, 100% has no meaning. It's just we are giving 100% share in 100%. This thing.
Share from 100%. This will play a role in case of a variable proportion. Proportion wise, of that 50% it should take. Like
right. So if you had given here 50, and if you give the amount, it is not going to make any difference. It will take only amount, right?
Yeah, 50%. Yeah, we are giving fixed now over here amount anyway. This taking not man J03, right? No, 2 only we defined, right?
2 only we created.
Yeah. Either we kick out that guy from there. We need to bear this way.
Is he even using? You would know, right? I mean,
and those people told me he is not using BI. Then I told them, should I kick out that guy from here? Then they said, no, don't do it. Then I said, what about the first phrase what you said, that he is there? Then
that guy is playing like Yuvraj, man.
You're still reeling under that, I think. Still under that. Why blame Yuvraj, man? Neither Dhoni also could not score in the last overs. Neither that guy also.
Things happen. Yeah, he was not.
I don't know, but I felt like, I don't know, man. I don't watch anymore after this bookie and all those things. It looks like fixed kind of thing. Just waste of time and all.
So who won the game?
Sri Lanka. I forget you're from Sri Lanka, right? You're asking us, huh? Just like that.
Actually, I'm a fan of Sachin Tendulkar, so I never supported Sri Lanka.
Okay, don't worry. He is
He's
no
no
more
longer
now.
there. He's no longer playing.
Nowadays I don't even watch cricket.
Yeah, better. Sachin never won many matches for India
I know.
compared to Yuvraj, at least.
Yeah. Yeah, Yuvraj was here in Boston for the treatment.
Mhm. So somebody made a scapegoat, so Yuvraj is a scapegoat now. Karthik made him a scapegoat now. Even the media made him a scapegoat.
No man, I've already forgotten.
Imagine if this way we reach, how much time will it take, man? Done. Let us see the report. $6,000 separate. Clear now?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Now can you tell me whether it was from flour or whether from lubricant? Gaji, you need to put it on mute. Okay? Whether it is from 6,000 is from where? It is very difficult, right?
Yeah.
Now here see, production department. Gone 6,000? Okay? Hello?
Yeah. It is showing under lubricant only. So
No man, I did not post, I post only the production department one, this one. Hello? Hello?
yeah.
I posted two entries for this, I did not post anything now, so that's why you're thinking the same. Okay?
Why you posted here? No, 6,000.
No, I posted for production department 1 power, not for 2. So that's why you're seeing this way I'm saying. Hello?
Oh yeah. Okay. Power. You mean to say? Yeah. Yeah. Right.
Clear? So this is the difference between your assessment and distribution.
Okay.
Okay. Now front end, little bit. 2 transactions I'll just show you over here. Manual reposting of costs here. KB11N. Okay. Now see here. My old cost center. Okay. Oh sorry. Old cost center. Department 1. 406,000 cost element. Transfer 2,500 to new cost center production department 2. What it says? Number range.
RKU1.
Okay, this is the number range. Why am I coming out of this, man? Groups, Control F, Control V. Save it. Enter. Okay. You can do the reversal also of this. Okay, if you want to, after posting. So document posted. Let us see the report. How much we removed? 2500, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
6,000, 70,000. I think we gave it some wrong cost center over there. What did we do was set controlling area J700.
No, we gave this one, you know.
Yeah, 1 second, let me check.
25,000.
25,000 I gave, right? From production department 1.
Hmm.
It was not moved.
Hmm. Is it taking time to show in the report or something?
Behind. See this one, man. Dates. Hello.
Hmm. Yeah.
Dates what we gave is wrong.
Why? Oh,
One
one
sec.
you were giving all the one.
1 second.
But you can run the report for till 4, no?
Yeah, I can run it.
Hmm. From 1 to 4.
Yeah, you're right. Now gone, see. 25. 45, no?
Hmm.
It was 70. So what is the difference you see? It has
is not-
reduced.
Yeah. Directly it is reducing.
In the receiver side it has added.
Hmm.
Similar
Yeah,
to your
direct change.
distribution, man.
Yeah. Similar to distribution, but in distribution for
Center
receiver
only.
side,
Yeah,
receiver side only it was adding. Right.
Clear?
Here both sides
Yeah,
it is
yeah.
adding it.
So you can do n number of times.
But this
I
this
think
is
this
the
is
one which
very
should be used, no? This is the one which should be used, right? I mean,
No, but
isn't this
what
the
will
better
happen is user will be more flexible in executing the cycle. You just execute, na? You set up and give it and he'll execute it.
one?
Okay. Suppose there are 100 cost centers, they'll create a cycle and leave it, na? Instead of doing 111 like this. Hello?
Okay.
Okay.
So this is the third method.
Third method. One more method is there. Tomorrow I'll show, man. This is taking a lot of time, you know.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Manual reposting this is. KB 11N. Tomorrow I'll show you some more.
Can you share the spreadsheet today?
Yeah, I'll share it. Okay.
All right, thanks.
All right.
Khadir, how many more classes we have?
This week will be last. This week.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you, Khadir.
Thanks.
Bye.